All, all Chromebooks should be closed and all eyes should be on the screen. The next thing you're going to do is to go into Mango Activities 16 through 20 DI. You all have your own copies. Yesterday in first period, we went through part of this and we made some graphic organizers so that you could explain your thinking for what does snow symbolize in this vignette, what do clouds symbolize in this vignette, and based on your prior analysis of the symbolism of name in this text, explain all the names and name calling being spoken in this vignette. Now we're going to make a graphic organizer for the next part. Because you'll have to respond to blogs too. I just highlighted all the password stuff on mine in red. Yours isn't like that. Okay, so step 3 that you'll have to do is copy your answers above, A, B, and C, into 3 separate threaded discussions on Mrs. Payson's her website, her Moodle. Okay, so step 3 says post to blog, copy and paste your answers for A, B, C above into the appropriate threaded discussions. So you're just going to have to copy and paste all the stuff that you do in class today. You will need to add a new discussion topic when you do that, and you're going to have to type your first and last name into the subject line and paste your answer into the message space. Then you're going to do step 4, constructive responses to blog posts. So after you've posted your initial A, B, and C about the snow and the clouds and the names, you have to respond to a classmate's post in each category. One on snow, one on clouds, and one on names. This means that you're going to respond to at least one post about what snow symbolized. I already said what she's saying, what I said. One post about what clouds symbolize, one post about what names symbolize. For each post, you make sure you are meeting each of the following requirements. You have to have 2 sentences. You have to acknowledge the initial post. So she's got some examples from something different. It is interesting that you associated Kiki's fury with a gentle, soothing personality. That's a good example. Of course, then you have to go into explanation. So after you comment on theirs, you have to go to, however, I thought the furry hair referred to Kiki as being wild like a wild animal. You have to say something else. And you have to make sure that it's free of mechanical errors. So on the next video, I will be showing you what you do for that.